What's up, YouTube? Welcome again to this .NET C Sharp series, and our topic is arithmetic and assignment operators. So, the arithmetic operators are, as you can guess, plus, minus, multiplication, and division. We also have modulus, which gives us the remainder after the division, increment operator, and the decrement operator. So if I have two numbers, let's say 15 and 20, so you can see that we have results for these operations. But 15 divided by 20 shouldn't be 0. This is because this divides the number by integer. If you want to get a floating point number like 0 point something, you have to provide a floating point data type before the second value, your floating point result. Now let's talk about increment and decrement operators. If we have a variable, let's comment these out, control KC, and let's say we have a variable, we do a number plus plus. Nothing happened. Now let's put the plus plus behind. Now the number is incremented by 1. This is because this is called a pre-increment operator. So it increments the number before the operation is performed. And if you put it afterwards, this is a post-increment operator. Same with the minus minus operator. So our next operator is modulus. If we want to find out that the number is even, then we can put the modulus operator and divide by 2, then it will give us the remainder, which is gonna be 0 if it's even. So it's giving me 0. If I put a number like 103, then we will have a remainder of 1. So that's how it works. Then we have the assignment operators. So these were arithmetic operators, and now we have assignment operators. And by their combination, you would have already guessed at what they do. So if I have a number, here I am using the assignment operator to assign this variable an initial value of 10. Then I want to increase this value 10 times. What I would do is num equals to num multiply by 10. So this will increase its value by 10. Let's check. So it's multiplied. But we have another syntax. We could also do this. This is the shortcut for this. So it would take the old value and multiply it by 10, then assign the resultant value. So it will multiply and assign the value both at the same time. So the other operators works the same. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.